To draw a water bottle, start by sketching a rectangular shape for the cap. Draw a narrow band under the cap to represent the seal that breaks when you twist the cap off. Then add two short lines extending down from the cap to represent the neck of the bottle. Continue the lines of the neck, but curve them out and away from each other to represent the top part of the bottle. Next, draw the body of the bottle. If you want, you can do this by sketching in a basic rectangular shape, then adding details like the ridges, curves, and indentations. For instance, some water bottles are slightly narrower in the middle to make them easier to grip. Fill in other important details such as the ridges around the cap and the label on the bottle. Then go over the outlines of your drawing in ink. Erase any guidelines or extra pencil marks. If you like, add color and shading to make the bottle look even more realistic.